To enter the pose, begin in Tadasana. Root the feet down, lift and spread the toes, and replace them to the ground. Engage the thighs, drawing them to the thigh bone. Inhale and drop your shoulders, engaging your scapula, and raise your arms up overhead. Interlock your fingers with the pointer fingers extended. Exhale and lifting out of the waist, bend to the right from the side waist. Bend into the right, pushing down into the left leg and ensuring the left foot stays firmly in the ground. Then exhale and lift the torso back to the upright position. You would then repeat this pose on the opposite side.